Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss with you guys about the tissues of human. So let's start it. In simple term, tissues can be defined as the group of cells with having similar functions and the shape. It's known as tissues. The study of tissue is known as histology, and the disease related with the tissue is known as histopathology. Okay, then there are certain types of tissues which are present in our body. Is there are four kinds of tissues. First one is the connective tissue, muscles tissue, epithelial tissue, and the nervous tissue, which is the main type of tissue. We call it we will call it okay. So connective tissue, these are the group of tissue. These are the group of tissue, sorry, these are the group of cells that separated by the extracellular matrix. And yeah, it is they provide shape to the different organs and maintain their position in the body. Okay, for example, blood, bone, adipose, ligament, tendons, etc. Areolar tissue. There are again three types of tissues, connective tissues. Okay, first is the fibrous connective tissue, then fluid connective tissue, and the skeletal connective tissues. Then we'll talk about their function. Is main function is to it stores energy. It is an insulating agent. Sorry, काय म्हणते मी? Act as an insulator. It helps in the conservation of heat, body heat, and store energy. It provides binding support to the organ and maintain their position. Okay. uh, okay. It is involved in the transformation of water, material, nutrient, hormone, gases, etc. Muscles tissue काय आहे? Then again muscles tissue, they are involving in producing force and generating motion in the body, in the organ, either for the locomotion and the transportation of, locomotion, or for other body movement within internal organ. There are again types of muscles tissue. First one is the skeletal, which are जे की अटॅच्ड असतात स्केलेटन्सला. आणि कार्डियकमध्ये काय असते की कार्डियक जे की हार्टमध्ये भेटतात ते स्मूथ ऑर द विसेरल मसल्स, ते इनर वॉल्समध्ये भेटतात. देन अगेन हे काय करतो की याचे मेन फंक्शन्स आहेत की हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग इरेक्ट पोझिशन अँड पोस्चर, then constriction of organs and the blood vessels, then involved in voluntary and involuntary movement, pumping blood and regulating the flow of blood in arteries, automatically driving, sorry. Then again nervous tissue is a main type of tissues which are the component of brain and spinal cord in the CNS. And while in peripheral nervous system, there is a neural tissues which are the part of cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Then when we'll talk about their function, it forms the communicating network of the nervous tissues and important for information processing साठी असतो. then ते अवेअरनेस क्रिएट करतात, सेन्सरी रिसेप्टर्स घेतात मे बी. देन ते स्टिम्युलायला रिस्पॉन्स करतात, स्टिम्युलेट करतो आणि ट्रान्सफॉर्म करतो इन्फॉर्मेशन. देन मेजर रोल प्ले करते इन इमोशन्स, मेमरी, रिझनिंगमध्ये वगैरे. आणि या अवेअरनेस क्रिएट करतातच, कंट्रोल कोऑर्डिनेट करतो मेनी मेटाबॉलिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. देन अगेन इपिथेलियल टिश्यूजमध्ये काय आहेत की दे फॉर्म बाय सेल्स which cover the external part of the body, organ and inner linings of the organ surface. like जसं की ओव्हरीजच्या लायनिंग असतात, इनर लायनिंग्स ऑफ द डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टम, डायजेस्टिव्ह ट्रॅक. ओके, ते आणखी हे तर एकतर प्रोटेक्शन प्रोव्हाइड करतो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्सला. देन इट इन्वॉल्व इन द मुवमेंट्स ऑफ मटेरियल थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन, डिफ्युजन, आणखी जे सिक्रेशन प्रोसेसमध्ये एकतर मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेंथ प्रोव्हाइड करतो, मेजर रोल प्रोव्हाइड देतो इन सेन्सरी रिसेप्शन, एक्सक्रीशन, फिल्ट्रेशन अँड मेटाबॉलिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये. दॅट्स ऑल अबाउट दी टिश्यू.